Hey, welcome to Geek-Dom. This is Don. So in today's video, I was working on my YouTube channel and trying to customize it. And one of the things I noticed is a lot of people have that little subscribe button in their videos. So I started doing some research into it, and I found this, which a lot of places want to charge you for. Could be $1, could not be, but it's the one everyone's using, or a lot of people are using. So I figured, why not dig into it and make my own? So that's what we're going to do today. So here's the one I'm using for the parameters. Here's my logo. Now, your logo, whatever design you choose, you may have to fiddle with the image size so it lines up. So I'm going to create a new one, and I am going to make it 1250 by 1250, 600 resolution. The 1250 just, it's a nice transferable format. The 600 just because I like high resolution. Okay, so go back over to the logo, Control A, Control C, Control V. Now, next thing I'm going to do is I'm actually going to get rid of that layer because I want this to be more of a transparent. I don't want to really invade the video content. So let's move this down. Next, I'm going to create a standout banner here. We'll make it that lovely YouTube red. Okay. Now, next thing we're going to do is add a text box. And if any of you out there can tell me in the comments below why this writing always pops up every time I do a text box in Photoshop, I would appreciate, because it is annoying. So let's go subscribe, make sure I spelled it right. Yep. And we're going to center it. Okay, so then you would just save as. PNG is the best format that I found so far. I've already saved one similar to this. Next thing you would do is go to YouTube. Hopefully you're already logged in. I'm going to go to YouTube Studio. And then customization. Branding. And then video watermark. And here's some of the ones you can see where I was playing around, see what really looked the best. But you'd select it. You can do it at the end of the video, the entire video. I like to start it a few seconds into the video, as you may have noticed watching this. And then you just publish. And then what you get is five seconds in, you get the subscribe button. So, you know, like I said, I didn't want the same button everyone else has, so a little bit of Photoshop magic, a little bit of time. Hopefully you guys like this. If you do, please consider that like and subscribe buttons below, and let me know what else you want to see. So, catch you guys next time. Thanks.